I'm back in some place where we were dropped off yesterday last night. So did kasi KFC did tayong breakfast. Thank you Lord, lumabot yung 2% lang na battery. Nandun na yung hotel. Tsaka, hindi akong breakfast. Thank you so much. Burger King across yung bagsak natin. 10:30 pa yung open ng KFC and it's still like 10 a.m. Ciao. I'm making my coffee. The compost coffee. Composing my coffee. Composing. Ciao. Nakabalik na ako ng hotel. Nakapag-charge na ako ng konti. So yun, magpapahiga pa. This is a Presbyterian church. Parang nare-remember ko to. Been here, I think. Ganda natin. This is not a Catholic church. It is a church. So, let's pay a visit. It is a beautiful church. It's beautiful. Fine at 11:30 a.m. na. And I think it's 01 degrees. Beautiful church. Let's see if we can enter. Yes, we can enter. Failed tayo dun sa gym. But then, may Catholic cathedral church. Tayo makikita along the way. Doon tayo. This is the Myeongdong shopping district. Punta na natin yung church. Then we go back. Punta tayong lunch. Doon na straight lang. This Catholic church. CR na ako. Pamila Cathedral. I'm sure maganda pa sila. Kasi may flowers. I think may lights yun. World Youth Day 2027 dito. Yan. Beautiful. Of course, it's a fake flower. Pero ganda na. That's cathedral. Gawa pa. I think I've been here. Siguro. I think so. It's beautiful. It's not hidden siya. So yung kanina, Presbyterian. And this one, ay, Immaculate Conception na pala. Check the mass. And yeah, been here before. Because I remember this. It's a store where you can buy Mga religious. Eva Mahama Mary. Mother and child from here before. Let's visit the church inside. Pilgrims of Hope. Oh, there the ones. Holy door. For Christmas.
성서봉사가 자격증 남북동분당 김정현 아네스 위 사람을 성서 모짜리 정기과학자 3년의 교육을 충실히 수료하였기에 성서봉사자로서 자격을 드립니다. 성서봉사자란 초기 그리스도교 공동체 선교사들처럼 성령으로 가득 차 하느님의 말씀을 담대히 전하는 봉사지
May madigaan pa si Joyeux Noel, Buon Natale. Mga European. Walang maligayang Pasko. Cathedral. Tingin tayo na religious. Ano dito? Here again, kanina dito tayo nag-jog, pabalik. So we're on the right path. Hindi ito yung main gym. Check lang natin. Fairness ka naman take off of the entrance. Look at this. It's 3 p.m. We got up already. Pero hindi pa tayo nag-shower for today's video. Kaya ito pa rin tsura natin. But later we'll go there sa tower at 4 o'clock. Check lang natin yung lilipatan natin kung ano tomorrow. Lamig. In this location tomorrow we're transferring. Pero we'll go for a day tour tomorrow first. Then here. Parang afternoon yata, they close also, siesta. Naka-siesta na tayo, kaya okay na. Kreto Myeongdong. See you in a bit. Ciao. This is the hotel. The Stay Hotel. Right in the center. Nice. Shopping spree here sa Myeongdong. H&M for men's. Meron siyang hallway. Autumn leaves. Korean Tower. Ngayon lang siya lumabas. Tulog maghapon. Oh, no. Looking for the cable. Let's okay. Before we go in here sa tower. So tower.